There's sharks that are huge, like whale sharks, which can get 45 feet long and larger, I'm pretty sure. And then there's tiny sharks, like the dwarf lantern shark, which could fit in the palm of your hand. So sharks come in all these different shapes and sizes, but they all share these things in common. The last thing I want to talk about, and I think this really applies to sharks and stingrays, is this special thing called the ampullae of Lorenzini. It's a weird organ. It's a compound organ, like our ears. So there's like the outer ear, the inner ear, and then that weird thing that kind of looks like a snail that has all the hairs in it. The inner ear, I think. So I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, eardrum. It works a similar way. So there's these pits along the bottom of their nose, and those pits have these gel-filled sacs inside, and that special gel is actually able to react with electricity. And so that allows sharks, stingrays, and other of their species or other of their relatives to actually detect electricity. Living things give off a little bit of electricity just because of the way that our bodies process food and turn them into energy. And so, for example, every time your heart beats, you give off a little bit of electricity, and a shark would be able to detect that. They would be able to know exactly where you are as long as they're within inches of you. So let's say that you're like a crab hiding underneath the sand. A stingray would be able to swim over top and know exactly where you are just because it's alive.